Hi guys. Okay, so we're going to make a body today. It's with a square neckline and they have short sleeves. I already made a body before, a few days before this actually, a purple body. I'm going to show the same process of the body because it's the same. But there I changed, like on the other one I had some lace around here, but here we have a short sleeve and it's a paid pattern, so I'm not going to show anything about a pattern because I don't think that's nice, especially if people are going to trace it. But on my blog you can find the pattern, the fabric, most of the fabric. This one you can find because I twisted it, but you can find all the other stuff, everything that you need, every step-by-step guidance, everything. And also about the other body, and I'm also going to make one with long sleeves. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so I have the whole pattern drawn here. I'm going to cut it right now and I will be back in a second. Why this kind of fabric will not work with a t-shirt. Anyways, it's a bit see-through. You can see spots. So I hope that's okay, but we will see. I have the pattern all cut out. I have the back, the front and the two small sleeves. So yeah, let's get the sewing machine. Okay, so we have the back side right here. I put some pins in where the hips meet, where the underarms meet and where the shoulders meet on both sides. And we're going to sew this part and the shoulders. The shoulders are sewn together and so are the sides on both sides. So we're going to step 3, I think. Okay, the next step, this is the bottom. We're going to fold a little edge over here and saw those. Okay, the next step is, this is the bottom. We're not going to stitch these together. We're going to stitch them separately and just make a little kind of flap. I don't know how to call this. An edge. I don't know. And we're going to do that so that you have a nice finished edge like this and not like this. You know what I mean? Like this, not this. We're also going to do the same with the chest piece and the back piece. We're not going to do it with the armpit pieces, with the sleeve pieces. Just the bottoms and the chest and back. We want this, we don't want this, and it doesn't have to be much, just a little bit of neatness. With this one I'm going to sew them together a few times that they're really stuck. Normally I will recommend using these ones, but this fabric, it's a bit harder, so we're not going to do that. I also have to find something for this. The sides are fine, but you can see they're ruffling up. So I think I have to use something for that, but we will see. We're now going to sew the bottom parts together. And also, where are they? Here. Also the sides. We're going to sew the entire sides. Okay, we have the sleeves here. We're going to sew the right sides together. Just the sides, not this part. Just the sides. Okay, let's say this is the arm. The armpit is over there and the shoulder is over here. So we're going to sew these two lines together all around. Right sides together, so inside out. Okay, we have a sleeve. We're going to repeat it on this side. We're going to fold the edges to the inside and make like a nice edge. But I made a mistake. I did the edges to the wrong side on the bottom. So nobody will see the bottom. So I'm leaving it for what it is. But yeah, clearly don't do it this way. And if I didn't use freaking black marker, it wouldn't be that noticeable. But it's still fine. I mean, here is the right side, so I'm fine with it. But still, you see, I make mistakes. Just like everybody else.